Hey everyone, officially released on August 21st, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is the newest model in Xiaomi's well-liked Note line. Having purchased one personally, I can state with confidence that this phone offers a number of significant improvements at a price that is still within the middle range. A SIM ejector tool, a quick start guide, and a protective black case, always a good addition, are the first things you see when you open the phone. A USB-A to USB-C connection and a 90-watt fast charger are included in the box, something that many brands these days omit. Redmi is one of the few companies that still does this. The phone's thin design makes it stand out right away. It weighs 220 grams and has a massive 7,000 mAh battery, but it is only 7.9 millimeters thick. The design is elegant and useful. The power and volume controls are located on the right side, and the SIM tray, USB-C port, microphone, and primary speaker are located on the bottom. Fans who depended on the IR blaster may be disappointed, as Xiaomi has removed it off the top, which still has a second microphone and speaker. It is more than made up for, though, by the addition of IP68 and IP69K certification. The display is one of its most notable characteristics. A 6.83-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1220 by 2772, compatibility for HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, and a steady refresh rate of 120 Hz is used in the Note 15 Pro Plus. This is one of the brightest screens on the market, with a peak brightness of 3,200 nits. Stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos manage the audio, and Bluetooth 5.4 and NFC compatibility ensure modern communication. The device's internal components are the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 and the Adreno 810 GPU. Options for RAM and storage range from 256 gigs with 12 gigs to 1 terabyte with 16 gigs. An 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, a 50 megapixels telephoto lens with a 2.5x zoom, and a 50 megapixels primary sensor with OIS are all located on the rear. The 32 megapixel selfie camera on the front does a good job taking pictures, but it can only capture 1080p images at 60 frames per second. 4K is not a possibility. One of the best-selling features here is battery life. It's amazing that the 7,000 mAh battery fits into such a small housing. The phone can be fully charged in around an hour with 90-watt rapid charging, and it can even power other devices with 22.5-watt reverse charging. To put it briefly, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is among the most feature-rich mid-range phones on the market right now. It differs from other competitors thanks to its water resistance, large battery, quick charging, sturdy yet thin construction, and ultra-bright OLED display. The lack of the IR blaster and the slower UFS 2.2 storage are the only significant drawbacks. This phone is incredibly affordable for people who don't need such features. The Note 15 Pro Plus is a great option if you want premium-level durability, vivid display, and all-day endurance without having to pay flagship rates. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.